Have you ever felt that the wound deep in your heart still hurts faintly in the middle of the night? In the face of the trauma and loss of the past, do you feel that you can't get rid of the shadow and find the way forward? In fact, pain is not the end, but a reminder that love and hope are the foundation of healing. In the dark, we can find light, let the inner strength regain, and move towards consummation and peace. Every wound is a gateway to growth. When we are hurt, denied, and abandoned, those pains often become heavy shackles, trapping us in the shadow of the past. However, true freedom is not to escape from pain, but to gently look at it, embrace it, and let it become the nourishment of our lives. Pain is not a meaningless torture, but a compulsory course in life. It makes us understand ourselves more deeply and learn how to cherish true love and kindness. Only when we accept the past can we embrace the future. Learn to love yourself and give yourself enough patience and warmth. Loving yourself is not self-indulgence, but a deep understanding of one's own value, and no longer shaking one's inner belief because of external evaluation. Accept your own imperfection. No one is perfect, and everyone has their own shadows and scars. Learn to appreciate your own uniqueness. Establish a health boundary. Learn to say no. Do not let yourself cater to others infinitely, but respect your own needs and feelings. When you begin to love yourself, life will become soft and broad. All the pain is only a part of the journey, and love is the core of our existence. Find the inner strength, perceive and accept. Allow yourself to feel pain instead of suppressing or denying. Accepting it is like accepting the morning light that will inevitably come after the night. Learn to let go of persistence. The damage of the past cannot be changed, but we can choose not to let it affect the present. To let go is not to forget, but to learn to coexist peacefully with it. Cultivate inner compassion. Be gentle to yourself, allow yourself to have vulnerable moments, and learn to tolerate everything with love. The real strength is not to overcome pain, but to grow deeper love and wisdom from pain. When you are at a low point, please remember that love and hope always exist. Just like the night is deeper, the morning will come eventually. Love is the greatest healing power. It comes not only from the outside but also from the heart. Learning to love yourself means respecting your emotions, not to blame yourself for pain, and not to doubt your own value because of the past. Hope is the beacon of our hearts. Even in the dark, as long as there is still hope in the heart, the future will not be nothing, but a light full of infinite possibilities. How to find love and hope in pain. Be grateful for everything you have now. Even the smallest happiness is worth cherishing. Gratitude allows us to see the warmth of the world instead of just focusing on shortcomings. Practice forgiveness. Let go of resentment about the past, not for others, but to move forward lightly. Resonate with love. Take the initiative to love and give. Even a smile and a warm word can make the heart soft and powerful. Everyone has been injured, and every soul has its own pain. But the wound is not our shackle, but the opportunity to awaken us. Choose love and hope, and we will find that the end of darkness is not nothingness, but a broader light.